What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Learn Plan Profit. Hope that you guys are all having a great start to your morning. Today it is Monday, November 25th, 7:30 in the morning, and we are live. Look at this. MSTR with a beautiful sell-off. Look at that. Everything comes crashing down. I like it. Beautiful retracement. Still crashing, still crashing, still crashing. Not a bad day to be a bear, huh? Just know when to take profits. Watch for potential support here, 410 per share. Looks like we're testing that moving average. Some more fear being injected into MSTR. Look for the sell-off, testing 410. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Watch for the break. Watch for the break below. 410. 410. Come on, 410. Can we get it? Dude, if it breaks below 410, we might go sub 400. But it's a big what if, right? What if we do break below 410? Can the selling pressure break below? Nvidia's down. Nice. Yeah, it's down 1.9, 1.8%. Here it goes. MSTR testing 410, 410, 410. Let's break, break, break. Come on, MSTR. You know you belong at $100 per share, if that. Leg down, 411, 411. Let's hit 410, 410, 410, 410, 409, 409. Come on, buddy. You know where you belong. You know where you belong. 410, break below 410. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. 409. We hit lows of 408.52. Watch the selling pressure kick in. Another leg down coming here. Watch the selling pressure. Watch the selling pressure. Gonna buy to cover. Reducing position. 407 exit. There we go. Not too shabby. Watch for support. Watch for support. What a beauty. Oh, we're going to 400, baby. It's testing, right? Yes. What was it? Friday? Friday's lows was right around that $400 range. That was the previous support range. It's not far-fetched. Selling pressure kicking in. How's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ at new highs for the day. Wow. And MSTR is not following. Yeah, rest in peace. RIP headphone users. I do apologize if I'm yelling a little bit too loud. I'm excited, as you can tell. Here it goes, new lows, 406, 405, watch for 405. 405, 405, 405, let's get it, 406.50, 405.99, 405, there it goes, 404.28, 404.20. Woo! Oh, we're going to 400 flat. Come on, buddy. You know where you belong. Reducing another 50 shares here. Just again, taking profits as this thing begins to sell off even more. I'm probably not even up that much. I'm just really excited to see it sell off. All my videos over the weekend were about this thing crashing. So you guys know I'm going to come out swinging with today's first video. Here we go. $400 per share. Oh, $400 per share, 401.59. I don't see it to be impossible, but again, all jokes aside, you guys know that I like talking my shit, all that stuff. Our job's to take profits. We can make fun of whatever stock it is that we want to, but we're gonna be we're gonna laugh at ourselves if we don't take profits. So, although I do think the selling pressure could kick in. I mean, I really think MSTR can go to lows of $200 per share. I'm not joking you. I really do. I think it's just like SMCI, where it's only a matter of time for it to correct itself. But with that being said, again, it doesn't matter about what I think, what you think. It's all about the price action. And MSTR is still a very trendy stock. So let's just make sure that we do our part in taking profits when it makes sense. We can get very excited, all that stuff, but it means nothing if we continue to hold our position, right? We're just as bad as them, holding at overbought levels. You know, if we choose to hold at oversold levels and then it ends up recovering and turning against us. So let's never be afraid to lock in those profits and try to lead by example, right? Make your money and bounce. That's the motto. On it earlier, right around where it's at right now. do another one. So another 50 shares is what I added in total. How much am I even up right now? Let's finish this trade strong. Are we gonna break below? I mean, we're so close to that $400 price point, right? It makes sense for it to. Let's go. Adding on another leg down, right? Lower highs, aiming for that break below 400. This is where it could get very risky, because if we don't break below 400 and it begins to recover, the trade can ultimately end up, turning against me. But as of right now, a lot of selling pressure kicking in, and again, I'm working towards the break below 400. So let's see if we get it. Break below, break below. Here we go. 401. $402. Tesla absolutely tanking right now like an absolute rock. Look at that. Beautiful setup. There it goes. Still showing signs of a support here on MSTR. See the break below. Can we get it? Yeah, ready. Buy to cover. 50 share increments. We're 401, 401, 40, 40, 80, 40, 80, 401. Watch for the break below. Look at that. 400. Let's see. 399, 399. There we freaking go, brother. There we go. Another leg down. 398.18, down 5% on the day for MSTR on the day, not including how much it was up during that pre-market session. That was the crazy part. It hit highs of 453. So this is a big sell-off. 12% sell-off from the highs it made pre-market. There it goes. Let the selling pressure kick in. Let the selling pressure kick in. Beautiful. All right. Taking profits, reducing my position. Look at that. 394. 394. There it goes. Testing support here. Buying to cover. What a beautiful sell-off. There it goes. 393. Oh, the crap talkers yesterday are crapping their pants. Yeah, I won't come out with a super petty video today. Nah, just kidding. No, I mean, the whole point of my videos are to encourage people to take profits at overbought levels. I want to see everyone win. I really do. But it's the people that get offended that think that, oh, I'm against them because I encourage beginners to take downside risk into consideration. Those are the people that baffle me. I'm like, dude, you obviously haven't experienced much in this market if you think this thing is going to last, right? I asked a very simple question. I asked, hey, show me one stock in history that has gapped up 300% in 80 days and that maintained its 300% gain. Just show me one stock that doesn't end up correcting itself. Just show me one. Just one stock in history. 300% gain in 80 days. One. To my understanding, one doesn't exist, right? And not in 80 days. Tesla's ETF long. Yeah. There it goes. Really nice pullback. There it goes. We hit 6,000. Wow, we almost doubled from the last time we checked. Nice. Just on that little leg. I like that. And here it goes. MSTR trying to find its support. Down 6.3%. Testing previous support range. Lows of 385. Should encourage it. Dude, this thing's going to break below once again. 390 support now. 390. Look at this. 390 support. 390 support. Look at this. NASDAQ market dropping even harder. Watch for the break below 390, and there it goes. There it goes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Here we go. 388.50. Come on, buddy. What did we hit lows of last time? 371. The more common support was 380. So we're getting closer. I'm gonna take profits. I know I'm a little wussy, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. Imagine me talking all this crap and then I end up not taking profits myself, right? Be kind of hypocritical. So let me try to lead by example and take profits when it makes sense. So I've taken profits almost my majority of my position right now. I have 25 shares left in the position. So 25, honestly, it's not even worth it to maintain it. Look at that. 384 down 8.9%. What a freaking beauty. What a freaking beauty. You guys ready? Covering short completely. And there it goes. Just made 80 bucks on Tesla. Look at that. All of it dropping like a freaking rock. Love it. All right, let's see what it is. $7,000 on the day. Nice. Left myself with my one lucky share. Dude, guys, in 24 minutes. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's live trading session with my LPP team. I trade live with them every single morning right at market open, exclusively just with them. Again, if you ever want to tune on in, it's designed for complete beginners and you can join for as little as $1 per day. It's the second link in the description down below. So whenever it is that you feel like you are ready, yes, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access. Click that second link, and if you sign up today, you can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. So what are you waiting for? Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.